Good afternoon. Namaste, dear parents. I welcome you to the Treehouse Annual Day 2014. This year, we have our little blooming buds who will compare the show. Hence, I request you all for complete cooperation. Please follow the handout given to you so that you will know when you have to pick up your child. A few instructions before we begin. Please keep your mobiles on silent. Do not come in front of the stage and do not wave at your child as this will distract them. And enjoy the show till the end. Tremendous efforts by all the children. Our superstars for the day. Centers participating New Panvel and Airoli. A few more instructions. 26th and 27th is a holiday and we meet on the 28th of Feb. Only PG children will be dispersed from my right side, that is your left side, backstage. I would now like to welcome on stage our special guest for the day, Mrs. Shona Jaiswal, the head of preschools in Mumbai, handling more than 100 centers in Mumbai, and having a vast experience in the field of education. Ma'am, may we request you to please come on stage? Ma'am, we request you to please say a few words.
Good afternoon, dear parents. A very warm welcome to all. So beautifully taught by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words then lead to actions, and these actions form your habits. These very habits are your values. And what do you think happens next? Your values are what shape your destiny. Yes, dear parents, values and sanskaras are what we strive to inculcate in all our children. So how do we do this? We do this as a part of our curriculum in ways that imbibe good habits, like planting a tree through the concept of germination, reach out to an older person through the concept of Grandparents' Day, gratitude through the concept of community helpers. It is overwhelming that a decade has passed by teaching these values to thousands of children. What a journey it has been, each year being unique with its own triumph and challenges. As a part of this value system, we have launched the biggest preschool under the brand name of Global Champs at Dharavi. This concept will not only create a better society, but will also ensure that children get quality, affordable education. Next year, our new session begins from 10th April. So we encourage you to come in our classrooms in large numbers. Do book early to avoid disappointments. So parents, let us now sit back, relax, and welcome our children. And we are sure that this celebration will make you smile and leave you with memories which you will cherish forever. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And now we begin the show with our little kids.
हमको मन की Hello everyone. Welcome to our annual concert.
(2013 and 14) संस्कार धरोहर हमारे घर की
संस्कार
धरोहर हमारे घर की और हमारे स्कूल की संस्कार never heard of this word. Never heard of this word.
संस्कार never heard of this word.
संस्कार never heard of this word. What is this? What is this? All Allah's keep our teacher sanskar must be an important thing. Ha ha ha! You mean you don't know? Not much. I thought since you said this word, you must be knowing this meaning. Let us ask our sir then. Sir, where are you?
So welcome little teacher on stage.
Yes, children, I am here. Sir, we want to know the meaning of sanskar. Sir, can we get this sanskar for somewhere? No, this much I'm sure that you cannot get it anywhere. Are you sure? Yes, promise. My mother told me one day. Let me explain you properly about good sanskars. Like when our elders teach us good manners and we behave well, we say they have passed on good sanskars. Like Gandhiji. Who taught us to work hard and be honest, fearless for our country. That means he passed on good sanskar to us.
We have a little Gandhiji on stage. पतित पावन सीताराम
प्रभु अब धीरज मत देना, प्रभु अब धीरज मत देना। सहते जाए सहते जाए सहते जाए, ऐसा बल भी मत देना, ऐसा बल भी मत देना। उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम, रघुपति राघव राजा, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। उठ कर करने हैं कुछ कुछ काम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम।
तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता, पर जो जुल्म है करता वो कहाँ तुमसे डरता। तुम पूरन परमात्मा, तुम अंतर्यामी, पर फिर कैसे होती रहती हर पल ये मनमानी। घायल है भोला इंसान, रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान। घायल है भोला इंसान। घायल है भोला इंसान।
टूट रहा है अब विश्वास, 5 वर्ष धुंधला आकाश। कौन द्वार हम खटकाएं, कौन से वादे दोहराएं। आम आदमी कितना, रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
हाँ, घर से निकले हैं सुबह, तन
Yes,
मन धन
audience.
सब है
Put your
तैयार।
hands together for the little
खाली हाथ
one.
न लौटेंगे, तय करके आए सुबह। अंदर एक सिपाही है जिसने ली अंगड़ाई है। अब तक सोया सोया था, सपनों में ही खोया था। बहुत हो गया है विश्राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीत।
So now see what happened next.
I wonder, are there bad sanskars also in this world? Come, let me show you.
So let's see what happened next. It's all about the sanskar, the group of children who does not have good sanskar. The devil's on stage. Please welcome.
Sanskars are shown by children who are nurtured in the environment of Sanskars. Now, look at them. Look there.
Yes, so see what next. Welcome our little angels on stage. The group of children who are nurtured in the good environment.
How nice. How helpful. How good these children are. All because of their good sanskar. Teacher, who are the children who get good sanskar? The first thing is that the small babies should have the environment where they are happy. Oh, I'm a gummy bear.
So let's see the happy environment for the little ones. Welcome little bears on stage.
Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, body, bang. Bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, body, bang. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Breathe times you can hide me. Breathe times you can hide me. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, body, bang. Bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, bang, 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 do they body, body, bang. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a
Parents, I request you kindly be sitting.
Oh, I'm a gummy
Others
bear.
are watching.
I'm a
Please
gummy bear.
cooperate
I'm a
us.
yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Body pop. Body pop.
Now see what happened next.
Kitty pies they were. Now children get good sanskars first from home, where the parents create a beautiful environment. Beautiful environment. How? When parents behave well, do good things, respect elders, talk politely, children automatically imbibe that and start behaving that way. After home comes the school.
चलो तो स्कूल चले हम. Welcome to little ones on stage. They are ready for the school. Audience, here with the clap. They are performing for you.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले हम रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम हो, दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम हो,
Yes, so now see what happened next.
My child, what happened? Why are you in a gloomy mood? Ma'am, my head is full. Head is full? You always have something funny to say. Why funny? Seriously, my mind is full of questions and seeks the answers. Okay. Let me take you to the Nukkad Wale Nana Ji.
So welcome audience, Nukkad Wale Nana Ji on stage to satisfy the questions of little ones. I want louder audience.
चंदा उगता जाए रे ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे दिन ये कहाँ को जाए रे नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन अरे नुक्कड़ वाले नाना जी मुझे रोज मुड़ाए रे फिर भी उनको गाए वो जिस दिन गैया घास चबाए तो दूध कहाँ से आए रे दूध हमें प्यारा गोबर से घिन सूरज ढलता जाए रे चंदा हम उड़े तो गिर जाए,
धम 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 धम
दही को घोटो निकले माखन,
यम 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 यम
पंछी बन हम उड़े तो गिर जाए,
धम 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 जंगल में नाचे मोर, बिन घुंघरू के यूं घनघोर, बादल बिजली ताल पे देखो घन घन घन, सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ खो जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन।
So here we have Dadaji with the cow, with the milk can. Oh, we have fan also and moon.
डब्बा गोल बाजे ढोल,
धम 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 धम
मुरली तेरी गाय कान्हा,
आंखें नम नम नम, डब्बा गोल बाजे ढोल, धम 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 धम, मुरली तेरी गाय कान्हा, आंखें नम नम नम, माखन चोर नंद किशोर, गोकुल कानन हाजिर चोर, लीला ये तेरी है जाने हम हम।
सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ खो जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन।
नुक्कड़ वाले नाना जी,
Come on, audience, I want louder for the little one. So keep clapping.
तो दूध कहाँ से आए रे, दूध हमें प्यारा गोबर से गिन।
सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन।
What are they doing, Nana ji? They are getting ready to join Indian Army. Indian Army, you mean the soldiers who protect the country? Yes, beta. Nana ji, who give them good sanskar, who care for their country? मैं बोलूं? Now I know it. बोलो बेटा. Their sanskars come from their homes as well as school. Good, very good. ये लोग खुद भी खुश रहते हैं और देश को भी खुश रखते हैं।
Yes, so who are next on the stage? Oh, little ones, with the हवन करेंगे. Come on, audience, louder.
ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, सुनसान रात अब ऐसी रात, रख दिल पे हाथ हम साथ साथ, बोलो क्या करेंगे? हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे। ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, सुनसान रात अब ऐसी रात, रख दिल पे हाथ हम साथ साथ, बोलो क्या करेंगे? हवन करेंगे,
Yes, audience, louder.
हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे।
अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो, पहले तुम अच्छे बच्चे बनो, फिर बड़े होकर अच्छे इंसान बनो, and then you can join Indian Army. From good child, we need to grow up as good humans, and for that we need to hear stories from all religious books like Gita, the story of Lord Krishna. We also have Guru Granth Sahib from Sikh religion. People recite stories in music, and you know what? My daddy says that mornings become pure और भगवान बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं। इसी तरह बाइबल और कुरान की कहानियों से हमें अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं।
Yes, so welcome our little ones for the dance performance.
झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता। तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के है निशान। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा।
Have you heard?
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता। तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के है निशान। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा।
So now we are talking about the different books, different stories. So let's enjoy.
Have you heard of Panchtantra tales? No? Ha! You have not heard of Panchtantra tales? No? Your mother never tells you these stories? अपनी मम्मी को बोलो तुम्हें रोज ये कहानियाँ सुनाए. And you must also read these stories yourself. अच्छा, लायन और रैबिट की स्टोरी सुनी है? यस, सुनी है. क्रो एंड स्नेक की कहानी सुनी है. कौवे और सांप की कहानी सुनी है. बुद्धू, वही तो पंचतंत्र टेल्स हैं. आओ मैं तुम्हें बताऊं पंचतंत्र टेल्स क्यों लिखी गई. एक राजा था. और एक रानी. उनके 3 बेटे थे. राजकुमार, जानते हो वो कुछ काम नहीं करते थे, कुछ पढ़ते भी नहीं थे. वो ट्री हाउस में नहीं पढ़ते थे. नहीं, तब ट्री हाउस कहाँ था? फिर क्या हुआ? एक साधु महाराज ने उनके लिए पंचतंत्र टेल्स बनाई और उन्हें मॉरल वैल्यूज दी. फिर वो अच्छे बच्चे बन गए.
Please welcome little ones on stage with the different morals. Oh, so we have lion on stage. Why? Where is lion?
झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में, मन में जो सोच ले हम. झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम.
Very well.
चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में, मन में जो सोच ले हम. आया है दूर तक देश अपना, जाएंगे दूर तक हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से.
So here we have a different stories with the different morals. Can you guess? What are the stories and morals?
Indians and dogs not allowed. ये किसने लिखा दीदी?
कल जिन्होंने ये लिखा वो आज ये जानते हैं.
सूरज अपनी मुट्ठी में है, कुल बुला रहा. नया सवेरा रिस रिस के बाहर है आ रहा. तलवों से कहती है मंजिल मुझे उठा लो. वक्त तुम्हारा है, किस्मत को गले लगा लो. अभी तो सबको धुन पर अपनी देखो नचाएंगे हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम.
Yes, audience, keep clapping.
cheeky stories. My teacher tells me they are character building stories. Character building? What is that? Character building is to behave in a manner that your parents feel proud of you. Your teachers feel proud of you. Your country feels proud of you. Now I understand it means to become a good child. Yes, cheeky stories are there for all of us to become good children.
Yes, so welcome rock stars on stage.
Pretty cheeky, walking down the school, pretty cheeky. She's real cool, pretty cheeky. She's a darling, she's charming too. We all believe you speak the truth. Pretty cheeky, she walks with a smile, pretty cheeky. She's so full of life, pretty cheeky. She makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky.
Oh, Chicky is here. So please welcome Chicky on stage.
We are ready to go for the picnic. Where are you, Cheeky? We're late for the picnic.
Cheeky, where are you? Cheeky, we are getting late for the picnic.
Children, Cheeky cannot come for the picnic as she was watching TV late night, and that's why she could not get up early in the morning. You all go and enjoy yourself. Have a good day.
Oh, she will miss the picnic. Oh no, so sad.
All right, then let's leave her. We're gonna miss you, oh dear. Bye 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 bye.
I'm so sorry. Now onwards, I will sleep on time and wake up on time.
Now that's my girl.
So finally Chicky realized that she made a
Pretty
mistake.
cheeky, she's all grown
That's
up
the
now.
sweetness of
Pretty
the
cheeky,
story.
she's being famous now. Pretty cheeky, she's a big star, oh little girl. But don't forget, dear, we always there. Pretty cheeky, she walks with a smile. Pretty cheeky, she's so full of life. Pretty cheeky.
So now we have a
makes us
little
happy
Chicky
when
with the
skies are
grandma.
gray. You always
So
know,
here
dear, how
another
much
story
we
of
care.
Chicky.
Chicky.
Now see what it is.
Once more, once more, once more, once more, once more. We want to have more of Cheeky. Okay, okay. Let's have some more Cheeky then.
Cheeky dear, I'm going out, so please take care of your grandma.
Cheeky, can you get me a glass of water?
Oh no! Mama! Mama? Cheeky! I told you to take care of your grandma. But you did not. Look what you have done. That's bad.
I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Mama, don't be sad. I will always listen to you.
Now that's my good girl, my sweetheart.
So again, Cheeky realized her mistake. Now onwards she respects her elders. So welcome little one on stage.
Sometimes the feeling is right. We all learn for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just like a moonlight.
Yes, audience, hear this. With a loud clap.
Now that we believe you, you always speak the truth. Cheeky, you're so full of fun. You keep your promise too. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-N, I-P-I-U, I-P-I-U, I-P-I-N, I-P-I-U, You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-N, I-P-I-U, I-P-I-U, I-P-I-N, I-P-I-U,
So now see what happened next.
Did you realize how fortunate are you to be in a good school? We surely are going to have good sanskar. Yes, let us celebrate. Yay!
So again we have a little one on stage with the colorful pom-pom. Welcome them.
Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now, let us sing along like oh oh. Everybody jump
Come on, audience, cheer them! So now see what happened next.
Teacher, when we all grow up, we will become great leaders. I will become a brigadier.
So welcome little brigadier on stage.
Can you guess? No? Okay, I will tell you. I will become a choreographer.
So here.
What will you become? Why not? I will open a chain of schools and impart good sanskars to thousands and thousands of children. My good children, I'm so proud of you all. We have no doubt that the sanskars which we have passed on to you will surely make you good human beings and great leaders in future. I congratulate your parents and your school.
Here the last presentation, audience. Make it real finale. This performance means your standing ovation. Please kindly stand up at your seat. Put your hands in the air. Really make it finale.
सूरज को मैं निकल गया रूबरू.
Yes, put your hands in the air. You can also dance with them.
जो गुमशुदा सा ख्वाब था वो मिल गया.
Yes, audience, keep put your hands in the air.
वो लोहा था पिघल गया.
Put your hands in the air.
खिंचा
Everyone.
खिंचा मचल गया. सितार में बदल गया.
The 100% effort of staff member also. Keep clapping, audience.
धुआं छटा खुला गगन मेरा. नई डगर नया सफर
Last
मेरा.
time, give me a louder audience.
हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा. धुआं छटा खुला गगन मेरा. नई डगर नया सफर मेरा. जो बन सके तो हम सफर में.
So audience,